Okay, see here student, before problem only, before class problem. So if y is equal to x power tan x plus sin x whole power cos x, then find dy by dx. Same. So what we did before. So first problem, differentiate with respect to x. So what is the question? Y is equal to x power tan x plus sin x whole power cos x. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x. ఏంది x దృష్ట్యా అవకలనం చేయాలి. x దృష్ట్యా అవకలనం చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి d by dx of y that is equal to d by dx of x power tan x plus d by dx of ఎంత నెక్స్ట్ sin x whole power cos x. Okay, so now separate the differentiation. Means this differentiation is separate and this differentiation is separate. Take this is equation 1. Okay, so afterwards what only this one, not differentiation value, only what is the given function that I am taking. So that is equal to u I am taking. U is equal to x power tan x. Okay, so taking log on both sides. So log u is equal to log of x power tan x. Okay. So ఇక్కడ ఎంత మనకి ఇంతకు ముందు అప్లై చేసిన ఫార్ములా log a పవర్ b. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్ b log a. ఓకే, సో దాని ప్రకారంగా దీన్ని ఎట్లా రాయొచ్చు tan x ఇంటూ log x అని రాయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు డిఫరెన్షియేట్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్. ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి d by dx of log u. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు d by dx of tan x ఇంటూ log x. ఓకే, so ఇక్కడ ఎంత uv formula, same before formula only I am applying. U differentiation of v means log what we get tan x and differentiation of log x that is equal to 1 by x plus next ఎంత v differentiation of u. v plus లో ఏముంది log x ఉంది into differentiation of v tan x is equal to ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి secant square x వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో అప్పుడు ఎంత మనకి ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఏమవుతుంది డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చూడండి. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనము డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎక్స్ బట్ టర్మ్ ఇస్ యూ. ఇక్కడ యూ టర్మ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది అది డిఫరెన్షియేట్ కాదు కాబట్టి అప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది 1 by u. ఎందుకు ఓన్లీ లాగే డిఫరెన్షియేట్ అవుతుంది అప్పుడు log x is equal to 1 by x అండ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ మళ్ళీ ఏంది u ని కూడా డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి u డిఫరెన్షియేట్ కాదనమాట d by dx ఆఫ్ అప్పుడు u. సో u డిఫరెన్షియేట్ కాదు కాబట్టి దాని వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది 1 by u du by dx. డిఫరెన్షియేట్ కాదు కాబట్టి దాన్ని డైరెక్ట్ గా రాసేస్తాం అనమాట. అవకలనం కాదు కాబట్టి అది ఎట్లా ఉందో అట్లా du by dx అని రాసేస్తాం. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి ఎంత వస్తుంది tan x by x ప్లస్ ఎంత log x ఇంటూ secant square log x ఇంటూ ఎంత secant square x. ఇప్పుడు ఎంత ఈ u ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ లో ఉంది, ఇక్కడ పోతే ఎంత మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి u ఇంటూ tan x by x ప్లస్ ఎంత ఇక్కడ log x into secant square u వాల్యూ ఎంత తీసుకున్నాం మనం u is equal to ఇక్కడ u is equal to ఎంత x power tan x తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి రాసేయండి x power tan x into tan x by x plus log x into secant square x. Okay, so this value is equal to ఎంత du by dx value. So take this is equation 1. Equation 2 already 1 is the total equation. So first part differentiation is over. Okay, next second part differentiation. So what is second part differentiation now? So I am taking this is equal to some v I am taking. V is equal to sin x whole power cos x. So now take log on both sides. So then what we get log v is equal to log of sin x whole power cos x. Okay, so that is equal to how much we can write that is equal to cos x into log of sin x. Okay, so by which formula I applied here log a power b log a, same formula I applied here. So then b place what is there cos x is there, cos x into log of sin x. Now you differentiate, then what we get differentiate with respect to x. x దృష్ట్యా అవకలనం చేయగా తెలుగు మీడియం పిల్లలు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ x దృష్ట్యా అవకలనం చేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకు ఆల్రెడీ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ రాస్తున్నా 1 by v dv by dx దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది యూవి ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయాలి సేమ్ ఇంతకు ముందు లానే యూ అంటే ఎంత కాస్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ డి బై డిఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ ఎక్స్ ఓకే ప్లస్ ఎంత మళ్ళీ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ డి బై డిఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ ఎక్స్ ఓకే సో నౌ వాట్ cos x as it is and d by dx of log x. First we have to differentiate log afterwards sin x. So differentiation of log x is equal to how much? 1 by x, x plus sin x is there. And ఏం చేస్తారు ఇక్కడ sin x ని మళ్ళీ డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయండి sin x ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది log of sin x d by dx of cos x that is equal to ఎంత minus sin x వస్తుంది. ఓకే సో ఎంత వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎంత cos x into 1 by sin x and d by dx of sin x is equal to ఎంత cos x plus log of plus into minus అవుతుంది డైరెక్ట్ రాసేసేయండి minus log of sin x into sin x. Okay. So now what cos x by sin x that is equal to how much we get? Cos x by sin x directly also we can write. Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x you write. So cot x into cos x also we can write. Otherwise cos square x by sin x also we can write. Okay. So next what minus log of sin x into sin x. Okay, so this v you change to right hand side, then what we get? This is in division now. If we change to right hand side, we get in multiplication. So dv by dx that is equal to how much we get? V into this all we get. And now you write v value. What is the v value? Sin x whole power cos x into this all cot x into cos x minus log of sin x into sin x. Take this equation 3. Now you add both du by dx and dv by dx. Then dy by dx is equal to what we get? The second equation plus third equation. Okay, that is equal to how much we get? X power tan x into tan x by x plus log x into secant square x plus sin x whole power cos x into cot x into cos x minus log of sin x into sin x. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, so already this type of problem is over. Okay, see here second problem. This is also very important problem. Okay. If x power y is equal to e power x minus y, then we have to show that dy by dx is equal to log x by 1 plus log x whole square. Okay. So I am taking a left hand side. X power y that is equal to e power x minus y. Okay. So how we can write here? So now you apply log on both sides first. It's all same type problem. Log x whole power y that is equal to log e power x minus y. Okay, so already before formula log a power b formula I am applying here. So then what we get? Y into log x. Okay, so here what we get? Only x minus y we get. So which formula I am applying? Log e power a. Means always if you write or not, log base is there no. So log base e power a whole power a that is equal to a. This is the formula. So if you apply this formula here, so then what? Log base e power x minus y. That is equal to how much we get? Only x minus y we get. Okay. So now I am changing this minus y to left hand side. Then what we get? What we get here? Y plus y log x. Here minus y is there. No, if you change left hand side, we get plus y. That is equal to x. So I am taking y common. So y common. Then what we get? Here 1 and here only log x. So that is equal to x. Okay, so now what we get? 1 plus log x. These both are in multiplication now. This is one term and this is another term. So then what we get? If you change this 1 plus log x to right hand side, it is in multiplication now. If you change to right hand side, we get in division. So then what we get? Y is equal to x by 1 plus log x. Okay. So this is only simplification. Now we have to differentiate. So now you differentiate. Em chestaru? Differentiate with respect to x. Em chestaru? X దృష్ట్యా అవకలనం చేయండి. X దృష్ట్యా అవకలనం చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ? చూడండి. d by dx of y that is equal to ఎంత? d by dx of x by 1 plus log x. ఈ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తున్నా? u by v ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తుంది. ఇది d by dx of u by v. సో ఎంత u by v ఫార్ములా? v differentiation of u minus u differentiation of v whole divided by v square. So this is the formula. So in u plus what is there here? In u plus x is there. In v plus 1 plus log x is there. Okay. So now you differentiate. So then what we get here in left hand side, what is there? Only y is there. So dy by dx. dy by dx that is equal to here what? v is nothing but 1 plus log x into d by dx of x minus x d by dx of 1 plus log x. Okay. Whole divided by what? 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x whole square. So now you differentiate. Then what we get? 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x and d by dx of x. d by dx of x is nothing but what we get here. Only differentiation of x is equal to 1 minus x as it is you write. Now you differentiate both. d by dx of 1 that is equal to how much we get? 0. d by dx of differentiation of constant. Differentiation of constant is equal to how much we get? 0 plus and d by dx of differentiation of log x is equal to how much we get? 1 by x. So you write 1 by x here. Whole divided by what? Denominator that is the 1 plus log x whole square. Okay. So now what we get? 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x minus x into 1 by x. 1 plus 1 by x is nothing but only 1 by x we get. This x and x both gets cancelled and denominator also you write 1 plus log x whole square. So now what we get? 1 plus log x. Okay. So now what? X and x both gets cancelled, only minus 1 we get. Minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus log x whole square. This minus 1 plus 1 also gets cancelled. Then what we get? Log x by 1 plus log x 1 plus log x whole square. Okay. Okay, see here another problem. So already this type of problem over, but this is the important problem, that's why I am explaining. So here see, so two functions are given, x is equal to a cos t plus t sin t and y is equal to a sin t minus t cos t. Then find dy by dx, we have to find dy by dx. So you differentiate separately this and this with respect to what? T. Why? The function is in t. But values are given, given x and y values are given. First you take first function, x is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t. Okay, so now I am differentiating with respect to t. ఏం చేస్తున్నా ఇక్కడ టీ దృశ్య స్మాల్ టీ దృశ్య అవకలనం చేస్తున్నాం. అవకలనం చేస్తే ఏం జరుగుతుంది? సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి టీ ఫంక్షన్ అవకలనం అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఇది ఎక్స్ ఫంక్షన్ అవకలనం కాదు కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేస్తాము, dy by dt of x that is equal to a is the quotient, just you write separately, and internal part d by dt of cos t. Okay, so plus here t and sin t both functions are there, so you apply uv formula here, t into d by dt of sin t plus sin t into d by dt of t. Okay, so now what we get, a into differentiation of cos t, that is equal to how much we get, minus sin t we get, plus here what we get, differentiation of sin t is equal to t into already t is the cos t plus sin t into differentiation of t, that is equal to how much we get, 1 we get. Okay, so now what, that is equal to a into minus sin t and plus sin t, both gets cancelled. 1 into sin t we get only sin t only, so this sin t and minus sin t both gets cancelled, so a t cos t we get, t cos t we get. Okay, so this is what, dx by dt value. So take this is equation 1. Okay, so next what, similarly differentiate second function also. What is the second function, what he given, y is equal to a sin t minus t cos t. So similarly you differentiate with respect to t, so then what we get, d by dt of y, that is equal to a into, so now differentiate separately, d by dt of sin t minus, here you apply uv formula, t into d by dt of cos t plus cos t into d by dt of t. Okay, so then what next, here we get what, dy by dx, dy by dt, sorry, dy by dt, that is equal to how much here, a into d by dt of sin t is equal to cos t, and minus you multiply with minus, so okay, so one step to write extra, so t into d by dt of cos t, that is equal to minus sin t, okay, plus cos t, just cos t, and d by dt of t, that is equal to 1 only we get. Okay, so now what, you multiply with this, so then what we get, dy by dt, that is equal to how much we get, a cos t, so now minus into minus we get plus, plus you write a outside, cos t, and this t sin t, minus into minus we get plus here, minus into minus plus, and plus, minus into plus we get minus, so minus cos t. Okay, minus cos t and plus cos t both gets cancelled, that value is equal to how much we get, dy by dt, that is equal to at sin t. So take this is equation 2. Now what we have to find, dy by dx we want to find. So now what, equation 2 by equation 1. So then what we get, dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So these values are dx by dt value, and this value is the dy by dt. First this term you write, so at sin t whole divided by this value is what, at cos t. So this at and at both gets cancelled. So here also dt also gets cancelled. Then what we get, dy by dx, that is equal to how much we get, sin t by cos t, sin t by cos t, that is equal to what we get, tan t we get. Okay, this is the one method, and this is the important method. What we told today, all are important ones.